In this video, we are going to go over increasing and decreasing sections on a quadratic. We are also going to review graphing. So to graph this, I'm going to make a table, and I'm going to plug numbers in that are on the x-axis. So -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. I could plug in 4 if I wanted to. So I'm going to put in parentheses, -2 parentheses squared -2 parentheses -2 minus 3 is 5. Scroll through, make it a -1, 0. Scroll through and make it a 0, 0, 1, plug in a 1, plug in 2 squared minus 2 times 2 is 3, 3, and 4. I then plot those points. -2 up 5 won't fit. -1, 0, 0 down 3, 1 down 4, 2 down 3, 3, 0, 4, 5 won't fit. There's your parabola. So for increasing and decreasing, they've already graphed your function. The axis of symmetry is the line that cuts down the middle, which would be -4. X is -4 for the axis of symmetry. Now, increasing and decreasing on a quadratic, there are two sides, right? There's the left side and the right side. One section will increase, one will decrease. So as I draw from left to right, just like reading a book, for a sentence you start on the left. As you read left to right, it goes up, which would be increasing. Then it starts to go down as I draw left to right, which would be decreasing. I always like to fill in my negative infinity is on the left, my positive infinity is on the right. Now I can cover it up, and I can label increasing is -infinity, comma, -4. And my decreasing section's interval would be -4, positive infinity. Right, let's try again. Axis of symmetry is right down the middle, so I cut it in half, and it hits at -3. Then I look for left to right. As I draw down, this is decreasing. And then as I continue to draw, so it went decreasing, then it starts to go back up, which would mean this side's increasing. -infinity on the left, positive infinity on the right. The increasing section would be -3 to positive infinity. The decreasing section is -infinity to -3. So the only reason those are swapped is because one graph is opening down. So increase, decrease when it opens down. When it opens up, it'll be decrease, increase. We have another graphing review. You can make a table, plug in the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, parentheses 1, -4 squared, -4 is 5. Make that first number a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I plot those points. 1 is up 5, 2, 0, 3 down 3, 4 down 4, 5 down 3, 6, 0. And you don't have to identify on the graphing review. example 5, I draw my axis of symmetry, which hits at x is 2. Then I have my increasing side, and I have my decreasing side. I add my negative infinity, positive infinities. Increasing is negative infinity to 2. Decreasing would be 2 to positive infinity. So I just drop those two numbers into my interval. Axis of symmetry is -4. Then I have my decreasing section from negative infinity to -4. Then my increasing would be -4, positive infinity. Another graphing review. I plug in my numbers. I could plug in 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 0 squared minus 6 times 0 plus 5 is 5. Scroll through, make it a 1. Make them a 2. 3. 4. Plot those points. 0, 5, 1, 0, 2 down 3, down 4, down 3. 5 would match to make your parabola because they're symmetric. Last ones to identify. Axis of symmetry, x equals -3. Decreasing is negative infinity to -3. Increasing is -3 and positive infinities on the right. On 9, axis of symmetry, x is equal to 1. This section is decreasing from negative infinity to 1, and it is increasing from 1 to positive infinity.